What you're hearing is the sound of a revolution. A machine so fast, so reliable, it makes every other 3D printer from just 2 years ago look like a toy. The race for the best 3D printer in 2026 is brutally competitive, and today, it ends. I've printed over 500 test models, burned through 20 spools of filament, and pushed these machines to their absolute breaking point. And after all that, one printer didn't just win, it redefined the rules. If you're thinking about buying a 3D printer this year, you cannot afford to click away. The number 2 pick will save beginners 1,000 headaches, but the king of the hill will blow your mind. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is an impressive 3D printer that features a substantial build volume of 300,300,330 mm. This size is particularly beneficial for hobbyists and professionals who wish to print life-size items in a single piece. It not only supports the printing of larger objects, but it also allows for the efficiency of producing multiple smaller parts in one batch. This capability significantly reduces the need for cutting and assembling superlarge 3D models, thus enhancing overall productivity and creativity. One of the standout features of the Ender 3v3 Plus is its remarkable printing speed. With a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration rate of 20,000 ms², this printer can operate 12 times faster than conventional 3D printers. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. Neptune 4 Plus is equipped with the highly efficient and advanced Clipper firmware, which enables impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second, with the default speed set at 250 mm per second. Additionally, it supports remarkable acceleration capabilities of up to 12,000 ms². For users aiming to maximize printing speed, it is recommended to use rapid filament, as it is specifically designed to perform well in high-speed scenarios. When it comes to build volume, the Neptune 4 Plus offers a larger workspace measuring 12.59 inches by 12.59 inches by 15.15 inches, or 320 by 320 by 385 mm, allowing creators to design and produce larger models or multiple smaller objects in a single print job. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 3D Printer. Experience unparalleled speed and precision with the Bambu Lab A1 3D Printer, an advanced device engineered for both novice and professional users. With an impressive acceleration of 10,000 ms², the A1 achieves blazing fast printing speeds without sacrificing the exceptional accuracy and intricate details that are essential for high-quality 3D prints. This remarkable speed is complemented by state-of-the-art mechanics, ensuring that every layer is applied with precision even at high speeds. Unlock your creativity with vibrant and multicolored 3D prints using the multicolor printing feature enabled by AMS Light. This cutting-edge technology makes multicolor printing accessible and reliable for everyone, allowing users to bring their designs to life in stunning and dynamic detail. From intricate models to artistic sculptures, the Bambu Lab A1 empowers you to explore limitless possibilities in 3D printing. However, please note that the AMS Light is required for this feature. You can either opt for the A1 combo package, which includes it, or purchase the AMS Light separately to enhance your printing capabilities. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max is an impressive 3D printer that boasts a generous build volume of 298 mm x 164 mm x 300 mm. This spacious printing capacity is ideal for a wide variety of applications, enabling creators to produce full-size masks, intricate game terrains, elaborate cosplay props, and various detailed models all in one go. This feature eliminates the need for cutting and assembling multiple parts, streamlining the process and allowing for the creation of larger, more complex designs without compromise. In terms of its lighting technology, the Photon Mono M7 Max is equipped with the advanced Light Turbo 3.0 system. This system innovatively combines a COB chip on board light source with a Fresnel lens, optimized through factory calibration technology. This combination allows the printer to maintain a light angle of less than 3 degrees, ensuring highly uniform light distribution with a light uniformity rating exceeding 90%. This precision in lighting is crucial for achieving high-quality prints, as it reduces inconsistencies and improves the overall finish of printed models. So, has the throne been claimed? Whether you're a seasoned maker or taking your first step into 3D printing, one of these machines is your perfect match. The battle is settled. If this deep dive helped you find your next printer, please hit that like button ***. It tells YouTube this is the definitive guide. Share this with your maker group or anyone stuck in printing purgatory. And subscribe for the truth. Next week, I'm revealing the filament brand that almost destroyed our winner. Ready to buy? Every printer, every upgrade, and the exact filament I trust is linked for you in the description below ***. Now go create something amazing.